All right. Hi. Welcome to this video. And in this video, I want to share with you if, let's say, you want to start your SEO journey, what kind of websites you should start with. Now, I like to start with simple websites and I like to come to Flippa and see what kind of things that they have done and what things that has been sold. And that is why I look at Flippa, right? So this is Flippa, as you can see on my screen. And I like to start with AdSense websites simply because all you need to do is generate traffic to the website and within 2 to 3% of people will click. Yeah, that is confirmed. That's the law of internet. Yeah, 2 to 3% of people will click on your ads, and that's it. All you need to do is generate traffic. So you can see from this website here. What I like to do is I like to go into um, just sold. Yeah, recently sold, so that I know what is recently sold, and I like to monthly profit around $100. Yeah, so that it's good to take a look at those who are making $100 and more, right, on a monthly basis. So you can see a lot of people are selling their website and they have sold their website. So this guy, I don't like to go on sponsored posts, so I go into like this, right? So like this is monetization AdSense, making a net profit of $824 a month, but sold it 26 times more, which is $26,100. So you can see that if you're making about 800, you can sell about 20 to 40 times the market value of your monthly profit, right? So this is amazing because AdSense is purely net profit. You get 100% of the income, right? So this one is another one. 139, sold 171. Now this is a multiple of 1 month. Yeah. So this is a bit silly. If you see this kind of website, probably it's quite silly. I would say it's very, very silly for people to buy and sell this kind of website simply because it doesn't make any sense. Like I said, if your website is making at least 100 ringgit or $100 a month, you can sell easily 1,000. Yeah, minimum 10 times the value. But if you're established site about 1 year old and above, you can demand on Flippa about 20 to 40 times the value of your monthly net profit, right? So like this guy is making 145, sold it for 5,001, makes sense, yeah, 29 times the value. And you can go along and watch, yeah, as much as you want, what kind of websites you should build to get started. So I like to come here because I can reverse engineer this kind of websites. And I like to look at small websites, not big ones, so that because I can immediately follow, copy the websites, model after the website, and see how they do it, and then duplicate it, and then rank for it, and make the same money or more, right? So this is 268, multiple of 11 times, yeah. Um, so I will just take one randomly, something that I think that I can make. Let's go Golf Clash Boss. It's a gaming website. I'm not interested in that niche because I don't really play this kind of games. Mm, what is my age today? AdSense, sold it for 25,000 40 times. Yeah. TN Relations. Yeah. Sold it for 24 times. I don't know what is it all about. This one sold at 42. Yeah. So let's go into this background school.com. Yeah, it's SCOOL. So I'll take a look at this. Yeah, what I'll do is type the website name, background school, SCOOL.com, and see what is it, how it looks like, right? Um, it's all about cool backgrounds, yeah, for the wallpaper. Hmm. All right. So this is cool. So they're making money by showing people about a wallpaper background. And let's click on one and see what happens. While waiting for the internet, it's a bit slow. I wonder why. But let's go click a few more, right? This is weddings, yeah, making 3.8. So this is another good one. Publiboda.com. Interesting, right? Publiboda.com. So this is an article kind of website on the background school, and probably they're ranking for this. Yeah. So I'm not sure, but what I know is they're making a lot of money here. The public border is sold for 22,000. This is sold for $5,000, right? So what I'll do is I'll take a look at this website, yeah, and I will use a software called Ahrefs, right? And what you can do is you can key in this software inside here under Site Explorer, and you can see how they built it, right? So you can see that there's 4,700 traffic. Keywords that they rank for, they have about 500 traffic on a monthly basis, and they can sell for $5,000, right? So it's very interesting. So what I like to do is actually, take this website and put it in my sheet. I have a sheet of, reverse engineer all this kind of website, so that when I want to build my website, I can know what they're doing, right? Okay, so I put it here. Oops. Ah, forgot to set my permission. Sorry about that. Okay, I like to put it here. hmm And this guy is making 5,000, but on a monthly basis, he was making about $100. So what I put is $100 and 5,000 he sold it. His traffic is about 520. All right. So I'll just put it in. Yeah. And let's see what else we can get from here. So what I like to do is also, I would like to take a look at their pages. So I want to see how many pages they have written. So in this case, there's a lot of pages, right? They have probably 1,140 pages. Now, I'm not sure uh, they wrote it on their own, probably cut and paste, because for $5,000, will I want to do this kind of work? Definitely no, yeah. Every single pages, yeah, they have. Let's go in. But anyway, let me just put in 1,100 pages. Craziness. They earn from AdSense, yeah. So every pages, they wrote some article and they put a background. Not much of a content, yeah. But I'm not going to do this kind of website, but at least we just reverse engineer, right? So let's take a look at this. So this is a different language. So you might also consider, right, building a website that has different languages simply because it's easier to rank. And this website, like I said, sold about $20,000, right? Now these are huge websites, right? So let's take a look at small websites that you and I can start building very, very easily. Like this is sold for 15 times. Tag destroy, yeah. This one sold for 5 times. A little bit lower the income. I'm not sure why, but let's take a look at something that I feel that it's easy for us to build, yeah, and not as difficult to get start up, so that you can build about 20, 30 articles, rank for it, and make the money, right? Let's take a few here. How do I know? By looking at a website, I probably will know how they built it, right? Like this, all shepherd.com, 230, sold it for $11,000. So let's take a look at this, all shepherd.com. I think this is a good to follow, yeah. So sold 11,000, making about $382 profit, not that many. So it's about 1 year old website, yeah. So you can build this. So let's take a look at this. All right, here we go. Like I said, this is an example of a website that you can build in WordPress. Very similar, just write an article on it. These are let's just take one and I just show you roughly. Reverse engineer, this is the keyword. Yeah. And this is the AdSense. So when people click on the ads, they get paid just like that. Yeah. And probably they write about 1,000 word article, right? So yeah, you can take a look at the article. This is for AdSense. Yeah. So there's a lot of ads there where people don't know. They just click on it. But he wrote about, I don't know, a lot of AdSense there. Okay. I would suggest only put about 3, maximum 4, because customers experience. But this is about 2,000 word article, and yeah. So let's see. Let's go back to this. Ahrefs 2, put it in and see what happens. Meanwhile, I will come here to update my sheet. You can just do this on your own. Shouldn't be a problem at all. Mm, 230, but sold it for 11,000. Not bad. Mhm. So we can take a look here. They have 111 pages. Now this makes more sense. 111 articles for 11,000. Not bad, right? That makes perfect sense. Yeah, probably something that we can follow. 110 articles. And let's see the traffic that they get. It's about 10,500 traffic. A lot of traffic, yeah. Obviously, the more traffic you have, um, the more money you can demand, right? So this website is sold for 40 times, right? So you take a look at this, and what I like to take a look also at the, how do I say it? Pages, right? What they are ranking for. So we can take a look at this, and you can see that they are not really optimized for Google because the anchor text is not really optimized, but it doesn't really matter. Let's look at the organic keywords. Yeah, what are they ranking for? So with this software, you can actually reverse engineer. Yeah, so they're ranking for technically a few keywords, not many. On the first page, like German Shepherd Brindle, German Shepherd Tail, um, Black Sable German Shepherd. So you can see that the keyword difficulty is below 10. So technically, it's quite simple to rank for this keyword. And they found a niche, build articles, write articles, yeah, and rank for the position, and that's it. And that's what you can do, yeah. Be consistent in building your website. And I hope you've learned a lot from here. Just to let you know that Flippa is one of the most amazing places to go in. You can reverse engineer, follow. Don't try to copy 100%. So, for example, just get an idea. If this person is doing a German Shepherd, you can do another breed of dog, but similar to this website, and just observe how he or she built this website, right? And I believe this is WordPress. It's quite simple to do with just a lot of articles and putting your ads, and that's it. So watch out for my next video. My next video, I will talk about e-commerce and Shopify. All the best.